welcome. Thanks to everybody for subscribing so far, and thank you for, look out for that. Thank you for being here and checking out this video today. This is a quick one, not necessarily on learning how to play guitar, but it's all about guitar stuff. So, let's have a bit of an intro. And there we go. Right, so today's video is about my favorite, or what I think are the best guitar accessories you can get. Whether you get them online or you get them from a shop, it doesn't really make a difference. First and foremost, and I don't have one right here with me because it'll take up too much of the screen, is you need a hard guitar case to carry the thing in. And if you're just not playing it, it sits underneath your bed or it sits in the corner or wherever you put it, saves it from getting wrecked and getting dust and all that sort of business. Number 2 on that list is this fella here. You hear that? In the back of this, it's got like those silicone balls that suck out moisture. This is like what they call a humidifier. This is a relatively cheap version of it. You can get much more expensive ones that you can regulate everything. And it just sits in the sound hole, kind of in there. Spin it around. And it works in 2 ways. So you sort of just clips in, and if it's really hot and humid where you live, it sucks out all the moisture, stops the guitar sucking up all that air moisture. And also, if you're playing live, it's a feedback stopper as well. Cool. Anyway, you can get these online. You can get them at music shops. Go for it. Great little handy thing to have, especially if you live in the tropics. Goes without saying, I guess, a tuner. This is, as you may have seen before, a little clip tuner. See, oh, there we go. Oh no, I'm out. Nearly had an E note there. Cool. Tuner. Super cool. Guitar stand. This cost me, I think it was like $15 Australian. So if you're in the States, it'd probably be like $2. But these are indispensable. When you go for a break, you stick it down, you put your guitar on that. Can't go wrong. And if you're performing as well, you can't just leave your guitar lying around all over the place. If you play blues, a good slide. This is not a very good slide, but it works for me. Sits nicely on your finger and you go up and down and you play blues like that. Cool. For you out there who are beginners, or even if you're getting a little bit more advanced in there, little gripper guitar, finger exerciser, good for getting that little pinky there. Just, yeah. This one I got at that supermarket chain Audi for $10, and you can actually increase the tension using these little swivelly, doodly, whatever you call them, screws. There's got a spring underneath, and it just adds a bit more tension in there. You can get others, Gorilla Grip thing, I think they're called, or there's another one out there. There's a bunch of them, and you can get different tensions in it. This one's a multi one, $10. Great for a guitarist. If you've seen my restringing and changing, I may have mentioned this called Fast Fret. I don't get paid to promote this stuff, although Fast Fret, if you're listening, this stuff is the best. Thank you. You've saved my strings, you've saved my fingers. If you've got rather like not even brand new strings, if you're using elixirs, I probably wouldn't use this stuff on it, but if you've got strings that you haven't touched for a while, you just give it a bit of a rub up and down. Says all the instructions on here. It oils up your fretboard, keeps it nice, makes your strings sound awesome too. Get onto it. Great stuff. And last but not least, on Kickstarter, I think it was, there's this thing here called the Guitar Triller. You can kind of see that. I know it's a bit grainy. I'm only using my laptop camera at the moment. Sorry about that. My phone's quite dead and my camera's getting recharged as I speak. This thing here is so cool. You hold it in your hand with that little grip there, just with your fingers. You make all sorts of cool noise with it. When I'm recording, terrible, terrible example of what I do with it. But the fact is, it makes a different sound, and when you're recording and you're songwriting or you're producing or whatever, this thing has come in so handy to get just a strange noise. And it is, I haven't even mastered how to use it. I've seen other people playing it on YouTube. Check them out. Really, really, really fun thing to have. So those are my favorite types of accessories. And of course, let's not go without saying, you know, a good pick, especially when it's your own pick. Get them from Grover Allman or InTune guitar picks. Get onto it. Doesn't cost that much, and if you get like a bag of 100 or 200, it's so much cheaper than buying a little packet of, say, 10 or 12. And they're yours. They've got your name on them. Anyway, that's all I've got for it. Really, really simple stuff, but they're just my favorite things. Just food for thought. Anyway, thanks again for watching Fast Guitar Method. The main course, get yourself into the main course, get the ebook, get into I've even got a free lesson. Go and check out the free lesson. Links will be below. If I haven't put them up now, they'll be up there very shortly. And if you're watching this in about 2 years' time after I've done this, made this video, then you'll be wondering like, what are you talking about? Anyway, early days. Lovely having you here. Thanks for watching. Ben McNeil, Fast Guitar Method. Check it out. Whoop! If you like this content and you want to see more, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, share it with your friends. Also, leave comments, ask me questions. The more you ask me, the better content I'll have for you. So, tune in again for Fast Guitar Method. Catch you later.